Today I'm going to show you guys a lab horizontal on 7018.
In a male-dominated profession,
1 second.
Mia Fimbres is sparking flames to break that glass ceiling.
Welding is kind of like gluing metals together. We glue them together with hot metal.
Mia is one of only a few female welding students at Pima Community College.
The first semester I came in, I didn't have one class with one girl. That's pretty cool because I get to prove myself, you know?
When I started, I was one of the only females as well.
Pima instructor Gina Santinello showed Mia that anything is possible, even creating an L-joint using the same power as the sun. Oh, and without being able to see, really.
As a mentor, advocate for females in the industry, it's just giving them someone that they can relate to.
She's really what pushed me probably for to stay here.
And I tell my girls the only thing that'll stop you from achieving your goals and dreams is yourself.
Welding is nothing new for women. Thousands helped build America sweating it out, welding ships, cars, and structures during World War II. Repeating history, Mia chose Pima, hoping to gain those same skills that could land her a gig at Raytheon, in aerospace, or as an artist. The world is her torch.
Pima's just really supportive and they care about their students. They have a lot of programs like this.
This is Sherry Gyro reporting.
Nice.